Namaste students, Khushro Bitiya. I JP and Dr. Vaichandra, Assistant Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the signaling mediated by a cell surface receptor. So here the water soluble molecules or a molecules that include the local chemical mediator or the transmitter protein, hormones and the growth factors. So here we can see the molecule reversibly binds with the specific receptor protein on the surface of our target cells. Okay, this receptor constitutes the 1% of the total protein mass of a plasma membrane and therefore difficult to isolate and study. Many of the hydrophilic signaling molecules such as the protein and the growth factors bind to the cell surface receptor and enters the target cells by the receptor mediated endocytosis process. Okay, so here you can say that the process or the receptor mediated endocytosis, the signal molecules binds to the receptor protein. So here the signal receptor complex can be taken as a here endocytosis vessels. So in this process, you can see the internalization process take place. In the receptor mediated, the endocytosis and the endocytotic vesicles along with the extracellular molecules. So normally the fusion of the lysosome to form a secondary lysosome to induce their effect on the target cells, and then the hydrophilic signals molecules escape from the fuse of the secondary lysosomic vesicles to the cytosol. So the water-soluble signaling molecules generally remains outside the cell after binding to the specific cell receptor. Here, for example, the effect of insulin are exhibited as soon as the insulin binds to a receptor on a target cell. Similarly, soon after the thyroid stimulating hormones or the TSH binding with its receptor on a thyroid cells, the thyroxine is released. So, as many as the hydrophilic signaling molecules induce the response that occur only too rapidly to involve the receptor mediated endocytosis. Okay, for example, mast cell secretes histamine within a second of the ligands binding to the receptor, while response to some of the neurotransmitter occur in a fraction of second. When a cell surface receptor binds to a signaling cell molecules on the cell exterior, it undergoes a reversible conformational change. Okay. Here the cell surface receptor generate a intercellular signaling in two major ways. One way is by activating or inactivating a plasma membrane bond enzymes. In certain cases, activated the enzymes through the soluble intracellular mediator, or that is the second messengers, the concentration of which serve as a signal. An important membrane bound enzymes which is activated by many signal receptor complex and act as to be a way of um, here the enzyme catalyst or the synthesis of a secondary messengers or cyclic AMP or 2 from ATP and cytoplasmic sites of a plasma membrane. Okay. So here in many animal cells that are not electrically active, or the secretory cells, they have the cell surface receptor and functionally a calcium channel in the plasma membranes, and they binding to the ligands of the activate and the receptor, thereby opening the channels and allowing the calcium to enter to the cytosols as they function as a secondary messengers. Okay. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we'll discuss in the problem solving session.